Well, this is a little bit tougher. I think I need a lab book to kind of guide me through all these different things. So I'm going to open up a page to the
202
flexor section. Okay. Oh, he's got a big paw.
He's a big cat.
Yeah, a lot of these are. Let's see, so you just did the one side. Okay. Okay, so those are the extensors. I guess we could start with that.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, we'll use those. Okay. So let's just start with the forearm. Possibly the easiest thing to remember on the forearm is the flexor carpi radialis, flexor carpi ulnaris, and the extensor carpi radialis and extensor carpi ulnaris because of their names. So we can start with the flexors. It's called a flexor, you know, it flexes something. And if carpi is in the word, it flexes the wrist because carpi means wrist. So carpi flexors do this. If it's got ulnaris, you know it's on the ulnar side, which in the cat is over here. So we can call this flexor carpi ulnaris. And if we pull on it, you can see it actually causes some ulnar deviation or ulnar flexion of the paw. So that would make this, I think it's this. No, it's on the extensor side. I'll have to say it's possibly one of these. It's flexor carpi radialis. Let's see. Well, I was just flexing it. I think this is an extensor muscle. This is probably extensor carpi radialis. That's not working so well. So I'm kind of embarrassing myself. But, let's see. Here we've got another nice long flat muscle. This is palmaris longus. This is another wrist flexor and finger flexor. Okay, if we flip this over to this side, you can see a lot of extensors. Why don't you turn the page there so I've got kind of a key here. So again, we can just start with the radialis and ulnaris. So extensor carpi radialis should be closest to the thumb. So we'll say it's this one here. If we pull on that, yeah, we get a little bit of extension and maybe a little radial deviation. Let's see, on this side, this should be the extensor carpi ulnaris. If we pull on that, you can definitely see some ulnar deviation. It's not extending it very well, but if we start from a flex position, it does a little bit. Then we've got a number of other extensors. And these don't necessarily have analogs in the human, or they're named different names. So basically for the quiz, just know these are extensors. And if they don't break, you can tell that when you pull them, they should extend the paw. Well, that's sort of working, sort of not. Okay, let's see what else we have here. This is a good view of the scapula, so you can feel the scapular spine really easily. Above it, you have supraspinatus. Below it, infraspinatus. And then laterally here, you've got the deltoid. The cat has a number of different deltoid muscles. In the human, it's just one. And I want you to learn human anatomy. So for your purposes, this is the deltoid, going down to the humerus. On the posterior arm, we have the triceps. This is all triceps here. Thanks. And this is responsible for extending the forearm. And then here we have biceps. Probably see that better from the front. So biceps is responsible for flexion of the forearm. And then deeper down here, we've got some other muscles that aren't that well dissected. You'd find brachialis and brachioradialis and so forth, but they're kind of buried in there. This large anterior muscle is a pectoralis muscle. In the cat, there's a different arrangement than there is in the human, so we'll just say it's a pectoralis muscle. Doesn't matter which. Okay, next station.